Quince trees are multi-purpose plants. The fruit can be eaten, stewed, or made into jams, jellies, or a delicious paste known in Spanish as dulce de membrillo.
I'm chopping up some pineapple quince to stew it. It's really easy to cook. All you do is chop it up, add water, and cook it till it's soft. Here's the stewed pineapple quince. Unlike most quince varieties, it doesn't go pink when it's cooked, it stays golden. I was lucky enough to get some quinces from some very old quince trees. I don't know what variety they were, but they were not pineapple quinces. They cooked up to a beautiful pink colour, and I made, first of all, quince jelly with them, and then I made quince paste.
One of the great things about cooking quinces is you don't have to waste anything. You can make quince jelly and quince paste without wasting any part of the fruit. So first of all you do is you cook your fruit till it's soft. And if you want to make quince jelly, which is the first thing you do, you then strain the fruit through some muslin or cheesecloth, and you actually leave it hanging for overnight. You leave the fruit hanging overnight in the muslin. I usually sort of tie it to the back of a chair or something with a bowl underneath it. And you don't squish it, you just let the juice drip into a bowl overnight. And then in the morning, what you're left with is this beautiful clear pink juice that you can add sugar to and make quince jelly. And in the muslin, you have this sort of still moist but dried out quince flesh, and that's what you add more sugar to and make quince paste, which is also called membrillo. But when that becomes quince paste, it's going to be mushed up and it becomes a little solid thing. I'll show you what it looks like when it's quince paste. When that's been turned into quince paste, it looks like this. Lovely, glistening, delicious food that you use a little bit of at a time.
One of the great things about quince fruit is you don't have to waste anything. So after I'd made the quince jelly, I took the fruit pulp and made it into quince paste. I made quince liqueur, And afterwards I was left with lots of chopped up quince flesh that had been soaked in vodka and sugar.
This is the chopped up quince flesh left over from straining the quince liqueur. Some people just throw it out, but that seems like a waste to me, so I'm going to make quince paste with it. This quince flesh has been soaked for 2 months in vodka and sugar. So you don't need to add any more sugar to make the quince paste. What you need to do is cook this, and I microwave it because I want to cook it without adding any more liquid. It's already got enough liquid in it. After I've microwaved it, I'm going to whiz it in the food processor and then put it in this tray here and dry it out in the oven, and then we'll have quince paste. There's nothing needed more to add to it.